bike came to the shop because it wouldn't start. And if he could just check his fuses, man, y'all gotta know basic stuff, you know? Right in my pocket. Hey, NYC, that part too. That part, boy, we call them the junkyard freebies, baby. We call them junkyard freebies. Let me hook this thing back on up, boy. Man, them the junkyard freebies, boy, I'm telling you. All right, let's do it. Turn it off. Now I'm gonna turn it down and see if I can hear it fire. That's it. Here we go. Let's see if she busts off. No diddy. Running. She's running. She made it warmed up, but yeah. Ain't that something? Dang. Man. See, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Just hang on in there. Little troubleshooting. I'm gonna find out what's going on with it. I'm gonna shut it off now. She stank. She stank. Ooh, she stank bad.